What's going on, everybody? So today, as you can see, we're in Randall's garage today. And we're going to be doing a couple things to the Supra. First, we got to put the shocks on. As you can see, Randall put a new body kit on the Supra.
And made it all-wheel drive.
And it's all-wheel drive.
And changed it to a V6.
And changed it to a V6 with a Honda motor in it. But yeah.
The 2022 Supra. They started working with Honda.
Oh, okay. They ditched the BMW and went with Honda?
Yeah. I mean, those seatbelt recalls are just really killing it.
No, but we got to change the shocks on this thing real quick. Randall's already done one side, so we're going to... Well, he's going to do the other side. It's not going to be really weird. I might hand him a wrench or something. But you got to get this out of the way so we can move this out, move the Supra in so we can put the wideband in, right?
Yeah, wideband and that's it.
Wideband and then
El Busto.
El Busto. If the sun ever comes up and it stops raining.
Which won't happen.
Yeah. So yeah, we're gonna knock this out real quick. If you've never changed shocks, and what year is this?
09.
A 2009 Honda Pilot.
It's really easy.
It's really easy in the back here. Randall says there's 3 bolts. Comes out, one goes in.
And you break the bolt. And
Strip the bolt, and yeah. Snap. Is it moving or is it bending?
probably bending.
You need some of that good old WD.
I got PB plaster on it.
Oh.
Bunch of PB plaster. I've been spraying it for like 2 days.
You know, whack it.
It's turning.
Is it?
I think. Either that or it's getting ready to break. That's not good.
That looks a little scary.
A little persuasion.
On fire. Another action-packed day at the SNR.
Yeah. So,
The bolt broke.
the bolt broke. And of course, on the other side, it's threaded into a nut that's welded onto the control arm. So that's what you saw, us trying to cut it off. So we're gonna try and get that off, and then by the time we get this off, take a little trip to the hardware store.
So the Supra will see boost on the way to the hardware store.
Yeah.
And then it'll break.
Knock out 2 birds with 1 stone. Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Can you stop your beeping?
No.
Alright, so we're taking a break from the Pilot because we can't get that bolt out. So we're moving on to the Supra. We're gonna hook up the wideband, and then I don't know. See what happens. Hook up the wideband, check the timing on it, and then maybe hopefully take it for a drive. Alright, so we got the oxygen sensor installed for the wideband. So now we gotta fish this wire through the firewall, and the system that Randall has chosen to use is a PLX. I know nothing about them. Any particular reason why you chose PLX?
I got a good deal on it.
Are they like a good brand? I have no idea.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're kind of. I mean, they're kind of pricey, but they have a. So what you can do is they have multi gauges. So it'd be like this one's just air fuel, but you'd have a gauge that you could connect other little control boxes. So they have a module that's like one for one for boost pressure, one for oil temperature, water temperature, all that. And instead of like splicing them all together, you can daisy chain them together, and then they have a multi-gauge that you could use one gauge to read everything.
Oh wow, perfect. What side would you like your gauge on, the left or the right?
Surprise me.
What other gauge is going in the pod?
Who knows?
I'll go right. So we got the harness pulled through the firewall, so now we got to figure out what wire to connect to on the ECU. Plug this bad boy up, put everything back together. This doesn't exactly fit in there, but mess with that later, I guess. That broke?
Of course it is.
Today hadn't been our day, as usual. But we're trying. We're trying for you. We're trying for you guys to get this done and do something.
Poop.
Alright, so we have misplaced the power adapter for the wideband controller. So we just kind of threw everything back together. We're going to check the timing real quick. And what are you doing?
I was gonna throw this in real quick, but never mind. I'll get a wrench for the CPS and a small piece of jumper wire.
So what we're going to do now is we're going to check timing, see where that's at, and then go for a ride. Maybe hit some boost, hopefully. Randall just informed me that you have to warm the car up before you check timing, so I'm going to go take a little ride first, and then come back and check the timing.
Not a good morning. Not a good morning at all.
It's about to get worse.
Yeah, we're about to get stranded.
Starts right up. I don't have one of those.
Something that actually works.
that still be on?
No, it's not on. It's off.
Oh,
Why would it light up if it's off?
say off.
It doesn't say.
We hit boost.
We got a little blow off too.
Yeah.
1 PSI, baby.
What are you doing? Check timing?
Just checking everything.
Oi.
Think it'll start again?
Why wouldn't it?
But it held together at 2 PSI.
So
Does that count for anything?
let's take it up to 7. That's
really-
that's wastegate pressure, isn't it?
You really want to walk back to my house. Even though it's only 4 PSI, it felt so good.
Yeah. Is it breaking up? No?
No. It's definitely a little laggy though.
Yeah, well, you do have a decent sized turbo on
Ow, 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 ow.
Do burnout, do burnout, do burnout, do burnout,
Huh?
do burnout.
Not yet. £4.
4 pounds of boost, baby. All right. Super hit some boost. 1, 2, 3, 4.
More than once.
Yeah,
Yeah.
4 pounds, baby.
And we accomplished nothing.
Yeah.
Absolutely nothing.
No, I mean that's typical for us. But we did make it back in one piece.
It's actually running pretty well.
Yeah. So yeah, hit 4 pounds boost. What's the next step? You gotta set the timing. Gotta finish the wideband.
Coolant temperature gauge would be nice. I need a gauge cluster.
So yeah, it's gonna wrap it up for today. Check out our Patreon. Patreon.com/SANDR motoring.
Need a hat. Need a shirt. Need some stickers.
You know where to go. sandrmotoring.com.
Pick up your own.
Help support the channel. Because we can't do this without you. And thanks to everybody that has signed up for Patreon. Your names are in the credits. So everybody can see.
And if you'd like to get your name in the credits, sign up.
Yep. But yeah, that's going to do it for today. Don't know what's going to happen next week. Podcast is up, so give that a listen. You can get that on any podcast app you choose to use.
Yeah.
And that's it. Anything you'd like to say? How do you feel that you hit 4 pounds of boost?
I wish that wideband was in so bad.
Yeah.
I don't know where that pigtail went.
Find it.
I don't wish that bolt wouldn't have broke.
Yeah.
That's it.
Until next time.
Bye.
Keep on motoring!